relax in, listen to the bird song.
Caution, this is a video log. It has dialogue. For the purist, nature videos, go to my playlist, pick one that matches your mood, and does not mention vlogs or dialogue.
Hello, it is Friday evening, March 20th. Welcome to spring. The equinox happened about 8-9 hours ago. This is Baldwin Lake in North Carolina. Lucille and I left the Pittsburgh area about 6 o'clock this morning. We came down here to a Forest Service site, Arrowhead Campground, I believe. First come, first served spot, because you can only reserve 3 days out. And we didn't decide we were coming here till Wednesday. Lucille's back at camp doing housekeeping stuff in the camper. Dora and I are here filming the sunset. Good morning. It is Saturday, March 21st. It's the first full day of spring. We are at Arrowhead Campground on Badin Lake in North Carolina. You can see I am editing video here. Lucille's sitting out here just relaxing, listening to the bird song. Dora's relaxing, watching people walk by. Thor and I went down to the lake this morning. We filmed the sunrise, and just as soon as I got the camera set up, there was a whole bunch of boats came down to go fishing. There were a lot of high-speed boats running around this morning. A lot of good bird noise here. The campground is about 90% full. Good morning. It is March 22nd, 2026. We are still at Arrowhead Campground. Woodpecker in the background. We're going to be breaking camp here shortly. This morning, Thor and I went out and we filmed a small creek alongside the road, and there's a lot of boat and plane and car noises, so I did my best to get the best couple of minutes for everybody. All of the video that'll be coming out this week has strong potential for a little bit of boat or plane or car noise in it. It's just really hard to get 5 minutes without some other background noise. Thor and I did film our walk out of the woods. We jumped over a little creek. Let's go. Hey, we made it. Good time.
I enjoy watching you trip over stuff and having to crawl under bushes and such.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Tune in next Wednesday to see where we end up. We didn't decide until last night where we were going to go for our next little stop on this trip.